To succeed in today's competitive market, you need a 360-degree view of your customers and your business. Whether you're a salesperson on the road, a customer service rep in a call center, or an executive who needs an instant view of your company's most important information, Microsoft Dynamics CRM puts what you need right at your fingertips, no matter where you are or how you like to work. You can open CRM from inside Outlook, on your phone or mobile device, or on the web. To start right away, explore CRM with the sample data that comes with the product. Play with the charts on the dashboards page, and check out the different kinds of information you can work with in CRM. Contacts are the people you do business with. Accounts are the organizations they work for. Leads and opportunities track potential sales, while cases and services track interactions with current customers. In each of these areas, Get Started panes help you learn the basics and take your first steps in CRM. For example, you can click the link in the Get Started pane to start importing your data from Outlook, Excel, or another CRM system. Microsoft gives you lots of resources to help you succeed with CRM. View diagrams to see how things fit together, and watch videos like this one to learn about CRM basics. Visit Help for step-by-step instructions. Take your CRM know-how to the next level with examples and scenarios in the Resource Center, where you'll also find links to popular downloads and community resources like forums and blogs. After you're familiar with the basics, tailor CRM to fit the unique needs of your business. Automate common tasks with workflows or use dialogues for consistent customer interactions. If you want to extend CRM or add new features, you might not even need a developer. Add-in solutions are available for a variety of industries, from small businesses and not-for-profit organizations to educational institutions and government agencies. Go ahead, start exploring. Add your Outlook contacts to CRM. Send an email or make an appointment. No matter who you are, where you are, or how you like to get your work done, Microsoft Dynamics CRM has the tools you need to succeed.